Hi guys, welcome to a new tutorial, and in this video we'll be making the part 2 of the advanced maze in Scratch. Let's get started. Okay, sorry. And go to the player sprite, okay? When green flag clicked, wait until blue lesser than HP is lesser than 0.1. Stop other scripts in Sprite. Set HP to 0. Switch custom to stand 2. These are custom. The hitbox, the stand, the round 1, the round 2, the round 3, round 4, round 5, round 6, round 7, round 8, round 9, round 10, round 11, well, 16 and stand 2. So switch custom to stand 2. Broadcast a new message called game over. Okay. Wait 0.1 seconds. Okay. Play the sound. Wait. Play sound until dawn. Where is it? Here, game over sound until dawn. These are the sounds, guys. The first one, Slime Squish. Slime Squish 2. Slime Squish 3. Game over sound. Rhino sound. Tongue hit 2, and tongue hit 3. Okay. And stop all. When green flag clicked, forever. So we haven't this sprite yet, but for now, make a new sprite called Muncher. Okay, go back to the player. Forever. Wait until touching Muncher. Change HP by -1. And play sound until dawn. Put a pick random 6 to 8. And guys, no, oh sorry. And guys, please put ideas to make a game so I can make a video making a Scratch game with your ideas. So remember that, so you can post a video and comment. Okay, but now let's continue. Set a project. duplicate this. Now make another sprite called Bloggy. Okay, save project. Now put Bloggy in this one. And put negative 1.5 in the change HP. Sorry, the zero not. Oh. And now start the countdown 1 to 3 and wait 0.5 seconds. And save the project. And now make a new variable called it's moving for this spread only. Okay. When green flag clicked, set it's moving to 0 forever if put a greater than if it's moving is greater than 0, play sound running on stone until dawn. When I receive a new message called set costume player 1. Okay. Set it's moving to 0. Put an equals. Okay. Now make a new list called move list for this spread only. Now put a greater than if here if length of move list is greater than 0. Repeat until put an equal until length of move list is equal to 0. And put another refills. Put an equal if it's moving is equal to 16. Okay. Set it's moving to 1. And in the else, change it's moving to 1 by 1. Switch costume. Put a join. Put join run, and this, and the variable it's moving. Okay. Switch costume to a stand. Set its moving to 0. And in the else, switch costume to stand and stop this script. Save the project. Now make a new custom block called change y by input y label only if input y boolean. And don't use the runway screen refresh option. Okay, so now let's define this block. Boolean if y boolean then wait. Sorry. If false. Wait, I don't know how it is. Oh, I know. Maybe let's pull the block. I removed this one. Almost. Wait a bit, guys. Well, I don't know how to do it. Maybe we can see it later. Well, but for now, here put switch costume to hitbox. Set rotation style to don't rotate. Change y by input y. Wait. Okay. E4. Touching walls or touching oh, for now make a new spread called wall button Go to the player. Change. Y. Put a minus. 0 minus y. Okay. And finally, set rotation style to left right. Set projectility is nothing. Works? Not because we didn't movement. Okay, let's make it. Well, for now, guys, let's make this. And I will make another video and save it back of this tutorial. I hope you enjoy it. I will upload their video soon, so bye bye.